So I have so many collections of plants and I sell cuttings. I replanted and yeah. This is hard to find. Monstera Ginny. And I have I give her extra mother 1,000 plants or mother 1,000,000 plants. So she is coming. I just texted her and yeah, I'm meeting up her. So hello everyone, I'm here in the parking lot waiting. This plant sold it today for $25. That's how I make some money. Okay guys, this is a Monstera Ginny, 7 inches tall. Yeah, so I'm waiting for my buyer to show up. See you guys. I do some gardening or sometimes I buy flowers and cut it up, propagate, make some new babies so I can sell it. As I said, I do sell plants and sell ukay. Alright guys, money, not much.